Lori with Rocky & Co. Crafts. I want to thank you for joining me. Today's video is going to be more of an informative video. I am planning on doing like a 3-part large skull mold series using the Let's Resin large skull mold. I love this mold, and I will put a link to some of the products that I use in the description box below. Anyhow, my daughter-in-law recently asked me to pour her a large skull. And I asked her, okay, what do you want me to put in it? She said she just didn't want anything creepy. Beyond that, she's left it up to my imagination. And y'all, when it comes to resin and my imagination, it goes crazy. I have a ton of ideas. I just don't have as much time or energy as I do ideas, so it takes me a minute to get to some of them. But what I want to do is, it'll probably be like a 3-part series, pouring one skull in each of the videos. And if you've been watching my channel for very long, you know that I try to upload 2 videos a week, one on Tuesday and one on Friday. So the large skull mold series, part 1, 2, and 3 will be Friday's videos starting this Friday. So I hope that you can tune in and watch. I definitely would love for you to comment on each skull and let me know what you think. And I do hope that you plan on watching the series. And once I have all 3 finished, I'm going to let her choose which one she wants. And then I will update you to let you know which one that was. And hopefully you'll let me know which one was your favorite. I want to thank you for watching. I do hope that you tune in for this series, this little mini series, I guess I'll call it. And I will put a link at the end of this video to the playlist where I have poured this large skull several times. I don't even know how many times, but several. I really like pouring it. But thank you again for watching. Do consider hitting the like, share, and subscribe buttons. And I hope that you can join me for this little mini series. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. I'll see you Friday for this one. Thanks.